This shirt, I think this shirt real clean. Camaro Chevrolet, real clean, real dope shirt. Got that washed out vintage look to it. This right here is dope. Nothing on the back, but this is embroidered in right here. Indian tribe stuff right here. You got the bass or the bicep or cow or bull or whatever you want to call it right there. Real clean. This all the way embroidered in. Look at that tag, old vintage tag on it. Fire. If y'all don't know anything about me, huge Mickey Mouse fan. The old vintage. Look at that, Walt Disney 1971. Walt Disney World. You got the big Mickey Mouse on the back. Kind of like printed embossed into the pullover. That's fire. Again, fire. If y'all don't know, I am a Scorpio. And this has a picture of a scorpion on it. But I don't know who it is. I think that's a Jenny or Lenny. I don't know. That's the only thing throwing me off. Yeah. Can't wear another dude name or a woman name on my stuff. Another thing, fire, old vintage, nothing on the back, but you see they got that little golf like print right there, and all of the badges is embroidered into the shirt. Real fire, vintage look, washed out, dope. I like this because it got a little comedy to it. It say, if at first you don't succeed, quit. Look comedy to it, nothing on the back. Vintage, washed out feel. Vintage. I think this is screen printed on though. Like you can probably do that at the mall though. But that washed out feel that it got, it's cold. I don't know why, but I like this. I really like this shirt. And it got like that washed feel to it. There's some fire right here. I don't even rock long sleeves. That's fire though. Nothing on the back of it, but it's clean. Some more fire. It's a winning spirit. Trade wins. The pirates on there. Nothing on the back. Extra wrinkle though, but that's dope. Might go with them super moon. Them not the super moon yellows, but the semi-frozen joints. Fire t-shirt. Hey, this is fucking comedy. It says I don't need a encyclopedia. My wife knows it all. Nothing on the back. Funny. Hey, if I was married, I'd definitely get that shirt. Facts. Oh, vintage. And one shirt. Hey, who remember when these was, hey, and one used to be fire clothing, for real. That used to be all my hooping attire. And one shorts, and one shirt. Man, fire and one shirt. That was a throwback right there. Hey, if you know me, you know it's Marvel all day. But this is a dope vintage DC t-shirt right here. Real dope vintage DC Justice League t-shirt right here, but it's Marvel all day over here. You know that. Yo, I grew up on this, but I kind of fell off of it. But this is dope. Star Wars right here. Real dope Star Wars t-shirt. Old vintage style too. Got that washed out vibe to it. This dope. This is fire. It says Rebel Fighting Championship. And I don't know, I'm just a real big fan of like the Japanese, Chinese lettering. It's just fire to me. I don't know why. I just love it. Found another one. Always and forever. Keeping your marriage hot. This is fire. I don't know why I love this shirt. It's fire, but I don't do good with white. Don't do good with white. It's fire though. Another fire piece. M&M, like the race cars, where you got the sponsorships on the cars. See, there's a driver right there in the yellow. You got the M&M, letter 18, just a color contrast. And on the back, you have the driver with the actual M&M characters inside of it. This is some heat. Is fire right here, bro. That shirt fire. The colors they put in there, dope. Found another vintage piece, Cubs, Chicago, all embroidered in. Real dope, all stitched in there. Then you have White Sox right behind them. Santos. Dope. Immediately, soon I seen these, I thought of the Sean Witherspoon. This color contrast in here definitely remind me of the Sean Witherspoon. I don't know what it is about this shirt, but this shirt is fire. Dance studio shirt. This is fire. That's some heat right there. I don't know what it is about it, but I like it. Another piece of heat. It says the first name in American Firearms, Springfield Armory, USA. Now this right here, you might think it's plain until you flips to the back side. It say bring enough guns. With the big gun with the attachments on there, it's like it's a hunting rifle. Attachment, stand, scope, all that attached to it. Fire, literally. Another dope fire piece. It says 20 annual Street Machine Nationals. And on the back side, fire. It says Street Machine 20. And this was in Illinois too. This is dope. That's some heat right there. Some more funny heat for you, man. All of this is stitched in, all embroidered in. And on the shirt it says, don't ruffle my feathers, it will get ugly. Look at the chicken face though. He mean business. Yeah, that's fire. Again, man, I don't know what it is about it, but this is fire, bro. I love it. I love the Japanese, Chinese lettering on shirts, man. It's just fire to me. I can't explain it. Heat. We found a classic. On the front, it says Big Dogs. On the back, it got Eric, Stan, Cal, and Kenny. And it said, oh my God, they fixed Kenny. South Bark. Hey, this is funny as fuck. That's dope, that's fire. So I basically just spent a lot of time in there looking over some stuff, tried some stuff on, and I couldn't fit majority of the stuff I tried on. I only got one pickup for that thrift store. A lot of stuff was size medium, large, and extra large. I could wear large. Can't fit the extra large and can't fit a medium because the stuff that's in there is already worn and washed out a bunch of times. So whatever size it is, that's the size it's gonna stay. It's not getting any bigger and it's not getting any smaller. So I couldn't pick up a lot of stuff that was fire in there. So yeah, man, I don't think I can catch any more thrifts today because it's like 4:30 and they always, no, it's 5:30 and they always closing at 6 except for one. So I might hit up one more thrift store and see what they got in there, and hopefully I can get some decent pickups. It looked really clean in there, really look good. This was a dope spot as well. So see y'all at the next spot, man. Yo, I know it's late and I'm black as hell, but we are at the next location. I found 2 more spots that don't close until 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna go in here and get some more footage. Y'all already know what it's at. Salvation Army, you know, donation center spot, you feel me? So let's go see what they got in this bitch, man. Gang. Come in real quick and I find a White Sox jersey. Real clean. Oh, what the fuck? Bro, this some old pimp daddy, granddaddy shit right here. This a suede shirt. That's some old bitch with my money shirt right there. This right here is fire. I like this. That's that old 90s look right there. Even got the back flared out. This is a summer thing though. This for the summer. They got another one right next to it. Where is it at? Another one real dope, man. You can put on nearly any frame, and with worry-free sofa starting at around $700. Old vintage look right there. That's dope. I got an Oregon shirt. It's fire. I don't know what this is, but this is fire too. I don't know what it is, but I like it. It's fire. Yo, it was literally no heat in there for real. Like, I barely got these. Like, I seen these 2. One was weird as ever, and one I just never had before. So there's a pickup from the Salvation Army right there. I know it's dark as hell. Let me get in this car because it's real in the field out here. See y'all at the other store. Gang. Yo, on my way to another location real quick. They close at 7 and it's 6:21 right now. So hopefully I can get in there, look around, cop something, maybe not, maybe, you feel me, and get up out of there. So see y'all at the next location, and then it's another spot I'm gonna hit up that close at 9 o'clock. So I got enough time for that to browse around and see some stuff. So see y'all at the next location, man. Gang. Yo, at the last and final location for the night, man. It's been real long though, but this spot looks big, looks clean, and this the last spot, man. So I hope they got some heat in here for the kid, man. And I don't know, man. Let's check it out. Let's see. Gang, we in there, bitch. Wow, talk about vintage Sega Genesis for $20, man. That's crazy. And it looks like it's in great condition too. That's crazy. Right off the back, this is the most organized one I've been in today. Definitely the most organized one I've been in today. Hands down. Another one. Vintage. I got one of these at home already though. Vintage, so people sleep. This ain't never. Oh my goodness, a PlayStation 2 classic. People in here sleep. I got one of these at home too. That's crazy. How the oh yeah, this had to slide out this and you punch this and it goes back in. People sleep, bro. Classic. Yo! What's good? Everybody on YouTube, man. It's your boy TM Kicks, man. I am back with my first thrift store clothing haul, man. Yes, I'm back. I'm done, and I wasn't as successful as I thought I would be. Honestly, I'm honestly not successful at it. Like, a lot of stuff didn't fit me. But anyways, man, let's get straight into it though. Wow, man, we have this like Indian tribal, the what they call this, the wishbone or something. You have like a bison right here in the middle. You know, real comfy, washed out already, so there's no shrinking on this. Fits real good. Nothing on the back of it, as you can see. But it's just a real washed out, nice little feel, nice little fit too as well. I really like this little print right here. It doesn't pop out too much. It doesn't do too much, but it's noticeable. You'll see, you'll really try to look and see what's on the chest. So I really like this fit. Tried it on, and it was nice, man. Alright, now let's get into, well, I really ain't got that many pickups. I went to like a couple of them, so let's get into the last couple pickups. Bow, man. For the next pickup, man, I got me this is my first baseball jersey. Honestly, this is my first baseball jersey. This is real dope, man, real clean, man. I'm not even a baseball person. I do watch the Cup, though. I do watch the World Series. I'm not a big baseball fan, though. But yeah, definitely a White Sox fan. I like the Cubs too, so don't get me wrong. I'm not like I like White Sox over Cubs. I like my city in general, so I'm rooting for anything that's going on in my city. So there you go, man. Real quick, White Sox jersey pickup, man. This is a Majestic. You can see right there. So yeah, man, just real clean, real dope. Let's get into the, I think this is the last pickup, honestly. And for the last pickup, man, didn't feel like taking off all this stuff. We have this weird logo print right here on the t-shirt. I don't know why I liked it, but I just liked it though. It looks so weird and creepy. And then it comes back on the back side, like I got eyes in the back of my head too. So these, like, it just came off fire to me. And I don't have too much yellow and black stuff. And I have like 2 pair of yellow and black shoes. So I want to start, you know, adding different colors. Cause I'm mainly, if you haven't noticed, I wear a lot of black. Like majority of my stuff is black with graphics on there. So I try to add a little bit more flavor, a little bit more sauce into my, you know, gumbo pot of clothing and shoes and all that. My shoes is crazy colors, but my clothing right here, black graphic tee, you know, just like this, black, white, big graphics on the back. You know, anyway, but man, that's it for the video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review, clothing, haul from the thrift store, wherever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.